Hello, welcome to Danby Free Toy Reviews.
I'm going to pass the camera to Toby because we've got something exciting. We've got the Black Angry Bird original. Let's just get it off. Tag. And Black Angry Bird squashems with catapult.
Yeah.
I got this for £10 at the Bristol Balloon Fiesta.
Yeah.
And I got this at Toys R Us for £5.
Yeah.
Birds and launcher. So let's test it.
Yeah.
I don't know really what you're supposed to do because it didn't give you any instructions. So, that kind of fit.
Yeah, it did.
Oh yes!
Nice one, Dan.
Okay, so it's the Black Angry Bird and he's squeezy. So you can do stretch and stuff.
Yeah,
And there he is.
that's Dan's favourite as well.
It's my favourite Angry Bird. And over to the Black Angry Bird plush. It's quite soft and he's got a beak.
Is she? Oh, yeah, it's really soft, isn't it?
Yes, and this bit hasn't got any like stuffing in, so it's not as sturdy. And it's got the decal eyes and the Angry Birds tag.
Quite good.
And yes, I think that's all for Danby Free Toy Review. So see you guys in the next video when we could be doing one of these Skylanders, Nerf, Ninjago, Trash Pack. Yeah, that seems to be it. Last video we did the Trashy Jumbo bits. So last video we did the Trashy Jumbo bit.
Yep.
So, right, we'll see you next time. Goodbye.